Ready to ditch those expensive mobile bills and unlock serious savings? First, ensure your phone is unlocked while you're contact Mobile to confirm. Next, order your Mint Mobile SIM card online. Choose a plan that fits your needs. They offer various data options. Once received, keep it safe. It's time to prep your current mobile account for departure. Make note of all your important account information, including your account number and PIN. You'll need this to transfer your number. Also determine if you need to pay your final bill and your current billing cycle. Now, it's porting time. Follow Mint Mobile's activation instructions, which usually involves downloading their app. Enter your mobile account information, then insert the Mint Mobile SIM card into your phone. The porting process can take a few minutes to a few hours. During this process, do not take your Tmobile SIM card out. Once the process is complete, your Mint Mobile service activates, which you'll know by the service bars at the upper left bar of your phone. Now, cancel your mobile service. This is generally done after your Mint Mobile service is fully active. Contact mobile customer service. It is important to keep the cancellation confirmation for your records. Once you're switched, enjoy the savings. Mint Mobile's significantly lower prices can put money back in your pocket. You may also get faster service. Remember, every phone is different, but these steps will help to make your transition smooth.